And welcome back to another video of Coffee and Stocks. In today's video, we are going to talk about a few stocks that I'm very interested in, as well as some of a currency, cryptocurrency that it's been going up recently. But before we get started, can I please ask you guys to drop a like on this video, as well as press that amazing subscribe button. It does go a long way in supporting the channel, and like I said before, you guys are doing amazing. Last week on Friday, I gave away $20, and congratulations to Luke. Once again, this week I will be doing dividends, and that is going to be, the difference between the beginning of the week to the end of the week on whatever stock we talk about this week. So please just comment down below, and that gets you an entry. Now, the first stock that I do want to talk about today is a Nano Dimensions Ltd. Now, I did have a comment down below of a viewer that said that they had quite a bit of money. They were sitting on quite a bit of good cash. It was like $1.6 million or $1 billion or something like that. But this company is only worth, or the market cap is at 1.83 billion. So there's definitely some good things coming up for this company. In the recent 6 months, I think it has gone from $2.99 all the way up to $16.66, but since then, unfortunately, it has gone down to a 55.94 correction. That is kind of scary when it has gone down this much, especially if you guys bought up somewhere up here. Hopefully, you guys bought somewhere down here. I did get into this position or this company a while back when it was like around $5 or something like that, but then I sold when it was around this area right here. I haven't gotten back into it, but I am planning on doing it if they do drop a little bit more. Now, there isn't much information on NND or NNDM, but let's take a little bit, let's take a look at this. So after an overdone pullback, is it time to jump back into Nano Dimension? So it's a little scary because in February 9th, that's when they received the 1789 52-week high. They did go through some correction, obviously, in March. There has been, like for example, on this one, Nano Dimension published its fourth quarter results in March, posting a revenue of 1.97 million in the period. That was roughly in the same as last year's performance. The company ended the fiscal year with around $671 million in cash and bank deposits. But there hasn't been much negative news other than a lot of people just selling and big corporations selling. Now, that doesn't mean that Nano Dimensions is a bad thing. Don't forget, this company, makes 3D printed software, but I don't know. This company, I'm still waiting for it to drop a little bit more. Electronics, obviously. Because 734 still seems a little high to me, but I do expect this to jump maybe to around, back to a 8, back to a 9 in the future, but not right now. They haven't came up with much catalyst, so that's what worries me right now. So definitely always do your own homework. Obviously, I do want to say I'm not your financial advisor. Please do not take my words as advice. Go consult your financial advisor. Go do your own due diligence. I do like NNDM, but I am not joining in them quite yet, just because of this craziness correction that they've had so far. But I do believe if they keep dropping, I will join myself. Going to the I haven't talked about this in quite a bit. I think they do deal with cryptocurrency, but don't quote me on that. HIVE Blockchain Technologies, or ticker symbol of HVBTF. Currently going for $4.08 in the past 6 months. Look at this, guys. It is wild. since the beginning, where it was going for 34 cents. That is more than 1,100% to the upside. That is just ridiculous numbers, guys. It is just ridiculous. Even from the highest right here, that is 1,400% to the upside. Now, yes, it's gotten down since then. Back in February, we've gone through a lot of corrections. There's a lot of volatility in the market, so be careful when investing your money. I do like the way that this is planning out for them. I do expect them to pass the 550 mark, or the $5.50 mark. I don't own any of these yet, but I do want to own some in the future pretty soon. That's gonna be pretty interesting to me. If you guys want to, this is what they deal with, first mover advantage, first publicly listed blockchain infrastructure company that bridge blockchain and cryptocurrencies to traditional capital and markets. Low cost operator. I mean, they deal with all of this, especially with the cryptocurrency value currently going up really high. I think it was like past 60,000. Oh, it shows you right here, past $60,000. I mean, that is crazy. I did invest in Ethereum, whatever it is, back when it was at 1950, and now it's at 2156. So that is pretty interesting to me. This blockchain computing makes it so much easier to go from one currency to another one, and it's very well protected, which is pretty good. Now, right here on Yahoo Finance, it does say if you're going to trade cryptocurrencies, I'd argue that HIVE blockchain stock may be the best way to do it. Miners of any commodity are essential levers up, whatever. I don't have to read all this, but you guys get it. Cryptocurrency is arguably one of the best stocks to buy if you want to deal with any other cryptocurrency. So it's definitely something to look into. Now, another one that I haven't talked about in quite a bit, but there was a lot of talk of, has been SOS Ltd. That's also a software company, also deals with cryptocurrency. Very interesting. In the last 6 months, or even in the year, if you guys want to go that deep, it has gone up more than 470%, even as high as, where's this crap? Even as high, oh my gosh, even as high as a 1,300% to the upside. Guys, that just screams to you. If you guys joined in this company when it was under $1, congratulations for all that gains you guys got, right? So, but still, be careful, because as it shoots up as fast as it did right here, it will shoot down even faster, which could definitely hurt your pockets. So definitely take a look into all of these. SOS recently, I think April 12th today, entered into a non-binding letter of intent to acquire the majority equity interest of 3 US-based power plants aiming to expand its crypto mining operations in North America. So that is pretty awesome. I mean, SOS was screaming, huge gains before. Now with this letter of intent, it might go even up a little bit further. So definitely keep looking, at this different stocks, because I do feel like these 3 companies will definitely make a lot of money. And that was today's video. Hopefully you guys liked it. Don't forget to drop a like on this video, as well as press that amazing subscribe button. Don't forget to also comment down below, because that gets you an entry to win the dividends on Friday. And I will see you guys next time on Coffee and Stocks.